Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power at the breaker and double-checking with a non-contact tester. Safety first. Once done, set a ladder and collect a screwdriver, shop vacuum, rag, and replacement parts so you won't interrupt the flow. You'll remove the grill now. Keep one hand on it as you undo screws and free any clips. Doing this early makes the rest of the job faster and prevents damage to the fixture or ceiling. You'll open the fan housing and detach the duct from the motor assembly. Some models use clips, others screws. Use the right tool. Once exposed, vacuum the housing and wipe fan blades. Clogged blades reduce airflow and strain the motor. Next, inspect the duct path. Straighten kinks, seal gaps with foil tape, not duct tape, and note if the run has multiple tight bends that cut efficiency. Make measurements now so replacement parts fit correctly when you upgrade the vent or duct. You reattach the duct using foil tape and a clamp, then secure the fan housing and grill back in place. This restores the sealed pathway for exhaust. Outside, install a vent cap with a backdraft damper and seal around it with exterior caulk to keep weather and pests out. Finally, restore power and run the fan for 10 to 15 minutes while you check airflow and listen for rattles. If airflow is weak or noise persists, inspect for.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.